Listen and read. A.
Airport. Far. Miss. Railway station. Straight. Tell. Turn. Way. Get to some place.
B.
Airport. A modern airport. London Airport. At the airport. Show me the airport on the map. Far. Far from here. To walk far. To live far from school. Is the supermarket far from here? Miss. To miss the square. To miss the shop. Our new supermarket is a high building in Market Square. You can't miss it. Railway station. Far from the railway station. Near the railway station. Is the railway station far from the airport? Straight. 1. A straight street. 2. To go straight. To go straight on. Go straight on and you'll see the church. You can't miss it. Tell, told. To tell me. To tell him. To tell them. John told us about their meeting. He didn't tell me about it. To tell a story. A fairy tale. A fable. My granny often told me interesting stories before I went to bed. Turn. To turn right. To turn left. Turn right and go straight on. Way. A long way. A short way. What's the way to the nearest bus stop? Walk straight on and turn right. You can't miss it. To get to. To get to the airport. To get to the railway station. To get to the metro station. How can I get to the railway station?